Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basic prerequisites. Android version and WhatsApp are up to date, and you know where Settings Apps is. Once done, long press the WhatsApp icon or go to Settings Apps WhatsApp to open App Info. This gets you straight to notification controls. Make sure you have device-level notification permission enabled first, otherwise the app switches will be grayed out. Now, tap Notifications to access channel-level options and prepare to change what appears on your home screen. You now work through notification channels. Tap Conversation or Message categories inside WhatsApp notifications. Once there, set importance to Low or Min, which reduces visibility and stops heads-up pop-ups. Also, disable Show on Lock Screen or set it to hide sensitive content. This ensures message snippets don't appear on your home screen or lock screen. Make sure to turn off notification dots if you want no app badge and confirm changes. Otherwise, Android may revert to default priorities after an update. Finally, test your changes. Have someone send you a message and watch the home screen. If notifications still show, open Settings Notifications and revoke any special notification access or bubble permissions that override channel settings, then reboot the device to apply changes system-wide. If problems persist, clear WhatsApp cache from App Info, not data, and recheck. One key troubleshooting tip. Some OEM skins add their own notification managers, so disable app floating notifications or privacy previews in the device's custom notification settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.